Okay, this is our last one problem. We are discuss our f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 6 x minus 5 of x square plus a of x plus b. A of x plus b has a factor of x plus 2, leaves the remainder as 27 when divided by x minus 1. Okay, here we have the two factors. Here we have the two factors. X plus 2. So let first one is x plus 2 is equal to 0. So it gives us x is equal to minus 2. Now we are put f of minus 2. This is 6 into minus 2 power 3. This is minus 5 into minus 2 of Sukya. And
Yes.
then a into minus 2. In our previous example problem, we have the derivatives, but in this problem, we have not to find the derivative because he is not demanding. The examiner is not demanding. So this is 6 into, this is the minus of 8, and this is minus 5 into 4, and this is minus 2a plus and this is 6 multiplied by 8, so this is minus 40 or 8, and this is minus 20, this is minus 2a plus b plus b, and look at it here. So this is equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay, so we are setting equal to 0. Mm, So minus 48 and minus 20, this is the minus of 68. So this is minus of 68, and we are converting to the other side. Moving to the other side, this is the positive. So this is minus 2a plus b is equal to what? Equal to, this is your 68. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now check it at here. X minus 1 and remainder is 27. Okay, remainder is, so our let x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to what? 1. So our f of 1 is equal to 6 into 1 power cube minus 5 into 1 power here plus a of x, and a of x sorry, this is x, and we replace x with equals 1. So 1, and this is your plus of b, and this is equal to what? Remainder is 27. Got it?
Yes.
Mhm. Okay, so this is your 6, this is your 5, this is plus a of plus b is equal to 27. And 6 minus 5 is equal to what? 1, and 1 is going to the other side. This is the minus of 1. So 27 minus 1, this is equal to 26. So look at it here. No, this is 2a plus b is equal to 68, and our a plus b is equal to 26. Okay, now we can solve it
Okay.
by simultaneous way. This is minus minus, and this is cancel out, plus minus is cancel out. This is minus 3a is equal to, so from the here a we can subtract it. This is 2, and this is your 4. Okay, and we are dividing on the both sides minus 3. So from this one, minus 3 is cancelled out, and this is your 3. And so A is equal to what? Minus 40. Now our next one target is what? We want to find the value of the B. So A plus B is equal to what? This is the 26. So A is equal to minus 14 plus B is equal to 26. So B is equal to 26 minus 14 is going to the other side. This is equal to plus of 14. So B is equal to what? 40. Can you got it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Then we are moving to the our next one. But uh, for the second one, show that f of x is equal to. Okay, here we want to find the same one values. Shows that so our f of x is equal to what? This is x plus 2 and p of x square plus q of x plus r. Okay, so here we are multiplying again. So this is your p of x cube and q of x square plus r of x. Then we are multiplying with 2 plus 2p of x square plus 2q of x plus 2 of. Now we can rearrange it. P of x cube is as it is, and x square, this is plus. X square taking common, so our q plus 2p, then we are taking the x as common, so plus x is common, so our r plus 2q, then plus 2 alpha, then plus 2 alpha. Okay. Now we have the equation is like this one. So our equation is what? Our equation is f of x is equal to 6 of x cube minus 5 of x square. And you know a value is what? So our a value is, we already find our a is equal to minus 14. So this is minus of 14 of x, and our the equation is what? Plus b. Okay, so value of b is what? This is the 40. We already found find it. This is plus of 40. Okay, so from the here, now we are taking we are comparing our with x cube, comparing for the x cube. So p is equal to what? This is 6. And for x square we take x square as common, so sorry, comparing, so this is also, this is, so p plus sorry q plus 2p is equal to minus of 1. So this is q plus 2 into 6 is equal to minus of 5. So q is equal to what? This is minus 5. So this is 2 multiplied by 6, 12. And 12 is going to the other side positive. This is the minus of 12. So q is equal to what? This is equal to minus of 70. Okay. Then we are comparing with x. With x, so r plus, comparing for x, so our x is what? R plus 2q is equal to r plus 2q is equal to what? Minus of 14, minus of 14. So q value is what? Minus of 70. So r plus 2 into minus of 17 is equal to minus of 14. So r is equal to what? This is minus 34 is equal to minus of 14. So r is equal to what? Minus of 14, and minus 34 is going to the other side. This is the plus of 34. So you know, this is r, and this is equal to 20. So our r is equal to what? This is 20. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then we are moving. Hence, solve for the f of x is equal to 0. Okay, so we can solve for f of x is equal to 0. So our this equation is like this one. Our f of x is equal to 0. It's mean our x plus 2 into p of x here plus q of x plus r is equal to 0. So this is x plus 2, and we what is the value of the p here? P is 6, q is minus 17. So this is your 6 of x here, this is minus 17 of x plus what is the value of the r? What is the value of the r? So r value is 20. Value of the r is what? 20. So this is plus of 20 is equal to 0. And our x plus 2 is equal to 0. So it gives x is equal to minus 2 going to the other side. And this is the 6x square minus 17 of x plus 20 is equal to 0. So if we can multiply, this is the 120 x square, and we find the pair. If we are multiplying, this is the 17, and if we can add and subtract, we got the minus 17 of x. If we can multiply, this is 120 x, 120 of x square. So to multiply by 60, this is not okay. 4 multiplied by 30, this is not okay. And for after this, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 20. Let me check. 6, yeah, this is, but here this is not okay. Okay, so that's why we could not find the factors. So we are put our quadratic formula. B is equal to minus of 17 and C is equal to what? 20. So our formula is what? Minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2. And b is minus b. So here this is the minus, this is also a minus. So minus minus can be the change into the positive. So this is your positive 17, and minus of 17 of square minus 4a 3. This is divided by 2 of it. This is 6, and you can solve it with the help of a calculator. This is 17 plus minus, minus 17 square. Can you check it, please, with the help of calculator? Shiki, can you check it with the help of calculator? Minus 17 square is what?
I will go rest of the books. Um, no, just give me a second. I'm gonna calculate.
Okay.
Minus 191 on
Yeah.
top.
So this is your 17 plus minus minus 191 divided by 12. So this is your 17 plus minus 191 divided by 12, and this is equal to under root. Okay, look at it here.
Yes.
Why I am writing, I'm explaining it to you, minus 191 under root. So we can write it minus 1 multiplied by 191 of under root. And if we can break the under root, this is minus 1 under root, this is also 191. So look at it here, minus 1 under root is equal to iota, and this is 191. So I'm writing it in rearrange format, 191 under root of iota. Can you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So is there any confusion regarding this one problem?
No confusion at all, sir.
Okay. Okay, so in our next session, we will also do the review exercise. Here,
Okay.
I'm display.
Sure, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
look at it here. This is our review exercise. This is very important because these are all from our old papers, and old papers are very important for our
Yeah.
preparations. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Then after this, we are moving our chapter 4. Okay, CK.
Okay.
So, is there any confusion or any question?
No confusion at all.
Okay,
Nothing, sir.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye bye.